Yo, content wizards, is your SEO game falling flat? Here are the top 3 blunders to avoid. Mistake number 1, ignoring mobile optimization. Google uses mobile-first indexing, so if your site isn't mobile-friendly, you're losing rankings and 60% of web traffic. Fix it by using a responsive design, compressing images, and testing with Google's mobile-friendly test. Next up, mistake number 2, keyword stuffing or poor keyword research. Stuffing keywords annoys readers and triggers Google's spam filters. Instead, use tools like Ahrefs or Ubersuggest to find low-competition, high-intent keywords. Write naturally and focus on user intent over keyword density. Finally, mistake number 3, neglecting content quality. Thin, generic, or duplicate content won't rank. Google's updates prioritize helpful, in-depth content that solves problems. Create long-form guides, add visuals, and update old posts regularly. Why should you care? SEO mistakes tank your visibility, traffic, and revenue. Fix these errors to rank higher, attract more organic traffic, and build trust with your audience. Final tip, SEO isn't about gaming the system, it's about solving problems better than anyone else. Optimize for humans first and search engines will follow. Smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more SEO hacks.